back to AUTOID TV. Today you join me in the unit and we have a brand new Toyota Supra, which is owned by the man himself,
me.
R23.
Yes.
Which is exciting because obviously a new shop car means a whole new range of products, whole new kind of series of bits and bobs that we're going to be doing to the car as well. So today is step one. We've already started, which is already on the car, which is these TRE carbon fibre mirror caps. And in today's video, we're just going to show you how we did that, give you a how-to video on how to do it yourself.
So here are Toyota Supra TRE pre-preg carbon fibre performance mirror covers. As the Toyota is pretty much a BMW, these also do fit the BMW F40, F45, G29 and J29. They are pre-preg carbon fibre, so the quality on these is pretty mad. So to start the install, basically the standard mirrors on the Toyota Supra are not great. Especially these ones anyway, it's literally just like a matte black sort of finish. Looks pretty boring, so it's going to benefit a lot from having some carbon fibre. But there is 3 clips, one here, and one here along the bottom of the mirror, and 2 sort of behind where my finger is now. So what you want to do is you want to get a trim removal tool and use that to pry sort of under the clips, here, and here, and whilst pulling at the top as well, and that should pop off, but we've got Kai here to show us how to do it now. Prying up the clips just like that. So now we've loosened up the clips, yeah, it should be able to remove it. There we go, easy as that. That's that one removed. Let's grab the other one, Kai. So what you want to do is line up the 3 clips along the bottom on the inside of our TRE mirrors, line it up, and it should literally just push straight into place. Fitment on these is perfect, so that's it, done.
Wicked. So that's the caps installed. I think they actually look really, really good on this car, especially all the angles. Please join us next week for another video. We're going to be probably doing something around the rear end of this car, which we're excited to get finished. So stay tuned for more.
Let's go!